love in the general for the sign of Taurus. So this is going to be for 1st to the 15th of November 2020. The weeklies will be up very soon, so watch this space for more. If you want to have a personal reading, link in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, link in the description. Keep in mind that this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in. Check any other placement. Sometimes I speak bad words. If you're very sensitive, click out. Bye. All right, so let's see. What are you manifesting, Taurus? I see you guys manifesting something. And I see that you're manifesting a reconciliation. You're manifesting love with somebody from the past. Possibly Aries, Gemini, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. And I see that the manifestation is coming in very soon for you guys. So whatever you are manifesting, it's coming in very soon. Great. Some of you are manifesting a communication from someone in case you are in no contact, block or whatever. And that's coming in very soon as well. All right, let's see. That was a good start. So give me messages for Taurus, please. So we have the Knight of Wands. Ooh. Somebody is very passionate towards you. There is someone who has a lot of sexual passion for you. Not in a bad way, like in a good way. This person is sexually attracted to you, and Taurus people are beautiful generally. Some of it's definitely a very strong fire sign. Sagittarius can be one prominent sign. Three of Sword. Why is this Three of Sword here? Why is this? Okay, so 10 of Pentacle and the 8 of Wands in the reverse. So I see that you might be in no contact right now, okay, with this person with the 8 of Wands in the reverse. I see that it was a very stable connection. You don't have to worry about it. It's not one of those connections that just separates out in no contact. It's like the communication that's blocked will be restored, okay? This is a very strong connection. Some of you, I think your families were also involved, or maybe you were planning a family together. And things might have not worked really well, but see, this is how this person is returning back to you. So they are rushing in. Somebody that just broke your heart and escaped, and there's communication blocked. They want to work out the situation with you, and they want to come back and offer you a connection, okay? Some of you, this person could be a fire sign very strongly, could be another earth sign or air sign. They basically want to resolve it with you, so they want to reach a common conclusion. Some of you, this person might be from a different culture, community background as well, and maybe that was a reason for you guys to have tiffs in your connection. Maybe your family was not accepting or theirs. I see it resolving, okay, because Temperance is again mixing and matching a lot of things and gaining the balance, okay? All right, what else for my Taurus love life? What's coming towards Taurus in love next? 1st to the 15th of November 2020. Page of Wands. See, there is someone who is rushing in to communicate with you, and what is this fire sign that's messing up? You're definitely very strongly messing up with a fire sign these days. Some of it's another air sign. It's like you guys definitely have gone through a rough patch, maybe in the last 6 months or 6 years or 6 weeks, whatever it is. But again, 6 is a sign of reconciliation. We also saw 6 of Cups while shuffling. So yeah, this is like you went through a rough patch and now you're going towards calm waters. And you know, for Taurus, this is coming in from some time in the readings that this is a very strong connection that you are manifesting. It is something which is here to stay. It is not one of those connections where you break up and then you just never come back. It's not that. It's like you break up, but then you come back again, because like a lot of things are involved. People are involved, family is involved maybe, or maybe it's all about commitment long term, and then it has to go some shit initially and then you guys sort it out, okay? So yeah, somebody is definitely reaching out to you. When it starts again, it's gonna start very much from the scratch. Some of you might be moving in together with this person, or it's like a lot of communication happening online, chatting, calling, texting, whatever. And a lot of newness to the connection, basically. Some of you, you're manifesting it. I very strongly sense that you're manifesting it. You're manifesting love, okay? Some of you might be doing those new moon, full moon rituals. You're manifesting this and it's coming in, okay? You see the Lovers next to this? It's that. So your manifestations are answered very much. What is the intention of this person? What is the feelings of the person towards my Taurus that the Taurus is dealing with? What is their feelings? So 8 of Swords. Some of you, your person is feeling stuck. It's like, you know, as I said, you know, they were the one who just turned their back and they left. But they are not able to move on. They regret day in, day out that they did this to you. So it's like your person is pretty stuck. Okay, they don't know how to fix it now with you. What else? I also saw 5 of Pentacles. Some of you, the person you're dealing with is struggling financially also, and yeah, see, they're having sleepless nights over you. I definitely sense they chose someone else over you. 2 of Pentacles. They were very much in two minds and they selected someone else over you, maybe an air sign or an earth sign, but now they are regretting it. They regret it for sure. So this person's next move towards my Taurus, Page of Pentacles. They want to sort it out with you. They want to get this balance with you. See, balance is very prominent theme here. So your connection was very much out of balance because of the immaturity, but this is how they want to come back to you. It's like you stand out to this person. They know that you are the one who can give this commitment, this stability to them. So they were exploring other options. They thought the grass was greener on the other side, but now they realize you are the deal. You are coming out in your feminine energy very much to this person. You know, Taurus women, they are very graceful. They have this right balance of stability and love to them, right? It's like they're very nurturing, very caring, but they're also very stubborn. And you know, Mercury retrograde, once they set their mind to something, they will go and achieve it for sure. So it's like this is the quality that attracts this person a lot to you. Like they very well know that the other people can be about fun and games if they want to, like they were juggling you with someone else. So now they realize that the other options that they had that were good for fun and short-term things, but when they have to look for a long-term commitment, it's you. So they very well know that whenever it's about a long-term thing, it'll be always you. Like they can always fall back upon you. Some of you are also witches because Queen of Pentacles is a witch. So some of you definitely doing some juju on this person and it's working in a good way, not in a bad way, like in a good way. Sorry. Some of you, it's a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. There's earth sign here, there's air sign here. This person sees you in a very good light regardless of whatever happened between both of you. Maybe some of you did not fight back with them when you had a breakup. You did not fight back with them, and that is something that they like about you, that you did not basically steeped down to their level. You were always about balance and, you know, maintaining your poise and etc. See, again, it's all about balance. Your balance really impresses this person because no matter what happens, you maintain your calm, you maintain your cool. You're not one of those people who will fight in between a road. Like you will never do it. You're very conscious about your image. You are very conscious about how you come out to other people. You always maintain your poise, and that's something this person really likes about you. Okay, so what will be the outcome here? The outcome is pretty evident. We have the 2 of Cups and the 10 of Pentacles. But what's going to be the outcome? We have the Judgment cards, the decision. The long decision is going to be made. King of Cups. Some of it's a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. I see this person choosing you, Queen of Wands. See, this is how it is. Like you come out as like a Queen of Wands, a Queen of Pentacles, and this person is coming like a King of Cups to you. 3 of Wands. The decision is going to be made and they are going to choose you. Okay, it's like they were confused about you in the past. They also separated themselves from you, but now they are ready to make this decision towards you finally. It's like they were the one who left the situation and they are the one who is going to come back and sort it out. Okay, 3 of Cups. They want to have a reunion with you, and we have the 6 of Cups again. So they want to have a reunion with you. They want to have this reconciliation with you. It's very much love here. Very much. And it's like one of those connections where both people love each other. So it's beautiful. And if you are someone you don't love anybody and nobody loves you, then this is not the reading for you. Okay? Use some common sense, please. Okay, give me a message for Taurus, please. This is so beautiful. Wedding. Do we need to say anything else? As I said, you know, this is not one of those mumbo jumbo connections. This is a long-term deal, and I see that you will be ending up with this person. You will be chosen. Okay? So yeah, just maintain your calm, maintain your power. Don't steep to anybody's level to reply back to them. Just maintain your calm. I see you guys ending up together for sure. And it is not a new person. It's somebody you have already dealt with. Alright, so that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. You guys take care. Bye.